Oh my god, I don't know how to paint.
Let me see your painting.
No, it's really bad.
How bad can it be?
Okay, see it.
Bro.
I can help you.
What?
Just go to painting school.
Painting school?
Yes, it's new.
I
And
want to
cool.
go to painting school.
Just look at this. Come, sit on the chair, my son.
You're not my son, though.
Oh, okay. This is how you're going to paint.
Yes.
Beautiful back hair
Yes?
and a totally fine pencil to draw this. And you can remember to paint baguettes all over it.
Let me try it. Let me try it.
Okay. And 2 dots there and there. Fantastic!
Is it,
Masterpiece.
am I done?
You are done!
So easy, though. Go to painting school. It's so fun and easy.